February 10, 2023, the morning gibbous moon is between Spica and Porrima. 3 bright planets are visible after sundown. Through a binocular, Venus approaches fainter Neptune. Photo caption 2019, January 4, brilliant morning star Venus and Jupiter. The gap between them is about 16 degrees. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:53 a.m. CST, sunset, 5:17 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated from the U.S. Naval Observatory's MICA computer program. Jupiter's great red spot's transit times, when it is in the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere, 3:41 UT, 13:37 UT, 23:32 UT. Convert the time to your time zone. In the US, subtract 5 hours for EST, 6 hours for CST, and so on. Use a telescope to see the spot. Times are from Sky and Telescope magazine. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2023, February 10th, the moon is between Spica and Porrima before sunup. The gibbous moon, 81% illuminated, is about 1/3 of the way up in the south between Spica, Virgo's brightest star, and Porrima. The lunar orb is nearly 11 degrees to the right of Spica and over 3 degrees to the left of Porrima. Mercury is leaving the morning sky, rising about an hour before daybreak. It is lost in the brilliance of the approaching sunrise. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2023, February 10th, Venus and Jupiter shine brightly from the west-southwest after sundown. Saturn, like Mercury, is bathed in bright sunlight. It sets only 19 minutes after sundown. In less than a week, it is at solar conjunction on the far arc of its orbit. Then it first appears in the morning sky about the time of the equinox. Venus and Jupiter continue their slow dance in the west-southwest after sundown. Brilliant Venus, the brightest star-like body in the sky, is about 15 degrees up in the west-southwest at 45 minutes after sundown. Each night it appears closer to Jupiter, 19.5 degrees to the evening star's upper left. The gap between them closes about 1 degree each night. Venus overtakes Jupiter on March 1st in a close conjunction. Before Venus reaches Jupiter, it passes Neptune in 5 nights. The Venus-Neptune conjunction is a challenge to see because the planets are shining through evening twilight and Neptune is not very bright, over 52,000 times dimmer than Venus. Even in a very dark location without outdoor lighting, Neptune is not visible without an optical assist of a binocular or telescope. In comparison, Jupiter is about 5 times dimmer than Venus. Chart caption, 2023, February 10th, Venus and dim Neptune through a binocular. Venus and Neptune are in the same binocular field of view. The separation is 5.4 degrees. Place Venus near the lower right edge of the field of view. Neptune is to the upper left edge, if it is visible at this level of twilight. Look again during the next few evenings as Venus closes in. Photo caption, Jupiter, NASA photo. At 5:32 p.m. CST from Chicago, Jupiter's great red spot is at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. This time is not long after sunset. While the long-lived storm may be visible from the central states, the view is better farther eastward. Satellite Io is to the west of the planet and the moon's shadow is projected on the cloud tops near the red spot. Chart caption, 2023, February 10th, at the end of evening twilight, Mars shines against Taurus. At the middle of twilight, Mars is high in the southeast, to the upper left of Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star. Return to the sky in about an hour to see Mars against the dimmer stars of the Bull. The red planet is marching eastward toward Elnath, the northern horn. That conjunction occurs in about a month. Watch the planet open a gap with Aldebaran and close it with the horn star. This evening Mars is 8.5 degrees to the upper left of Aldebaran and 10.4 degrees to the upper right of Elnath. Chart caption, 2023, February 10th, in the east-southeast, the moon is near Spica as midnight approaches. 6 hours after sundown and nearing midnight, the gibbous moon is about 10 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. It is 2.9 degrees to the upper left of Spica. Look again in the morning to see how far the moon moves from this time.